Hello friends, Running Kimono. We're doing a curbside video valid right up until February the 10th, which is a Saturday. Curbside deals. You're ordering this stuff through a cell phone, tablet, desktop, computer, through the Walgreens app or the website, hitting that left-hand box with the red check, ordering it. The employees at the store get your order together. You drive to the store and pick it up, and that is known as a curbside pickup. Couple pieces of info for all the new shoppers out there. It is not involving these register rewards. It's just involving deals with Walgreens cash. So these are in-store only. And I know there's going to be somebody in the comments saying, my store is printed for me, but for the majority of us, we don't get them. If you're more of a shopper that loves to go in-store, look around, see what they have, you're not about, this curbside life. I made a video yesterday where I was walking around the store showing little deals. There's a couple of freebies, cheapies. Great stuff going on. You might want to check out this video. I'll link it at the very end. Answer one more question for all the new shoppers. What's a booster? These are the boosters. They appear in your Walgreens account. You load them digitally, or alternatively, they print for you through the Catalina machine at checkout. Always your mileage may vary what you get, but the more that you shop, the more of these appear. Okay, so the first curbside deal that we're looking at, we're going to need our two best friends loaded, which is the 5 back when you spend 20 and the 5 back when you spend 25. So after I pick up my order, this Walgreens cash will appear on my account about 1 to 2 hours after you pick up your order. It's not immediately either for all the new shoppers. Okay, so we're going to throw in one of these big mamas for $14.99. It's a big detergent by Tide. And then we're also going to grab for $12.99 some of the Tide Pods. I'm Team Tide Pods personally. We're going to load the following $3 coupon, the one for the liquid and the one for the pods. Both excellent coupons. Okay, so at checkout, you can actually use a coupon code WAG10. And it took $2.20 off for me. And you can see my little chorus line, the two $3 coupons also applied. The overall basket is $27.98, and we have $2.20 off right there. And I'm still at my $25 mark. I'm at $25.78. Curbside pickup is free, tax, and $6 of manufacturers coming off. With my debit card, pay $21.33, and you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash. 10 for the two boosters, and there's another one for P&G of spend 15, get back 5, and I've accomplished that as well. So it makes each of the Tides like $2 and some change. What a wonderful deal, and these are the massive containers. This is a great one. Okay, so the next deal that we're looking at, we're going to be looking for some food. So the second booster is 5 back when you spend 25 in groceries or household. So we're specifically looking to get a basket of $25 in groceries, and the two boosters are stacking, so you're going to get $10 back on a $25 order. So if you're living in a like Florida, where you need water, you need to have a little bit of a prep for this. I think most households should have a couple of cases of bottled water on hand. We're going to throw 8 of them for $28. We're also going to use the code WAG10, so we're still at $25. You're going to pay that with your debit card and then get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So like for $15, $20, you're getting 8 cases of water. So that is $1.90 per case. If you live in like Florida, where sometimes you absolutely need this in your stockpile, I think $1.90 is the stock up price. And the next deal that we're looking at, again, we have our two best friends loaded, which is the 5 back when you spend 20 and the 5 back when you spend 25. For this one, we're going to be grabbing one of the Charmin toilet papers for $7.49 and then one of the paper towels for $11.99. This is on a promotion to spend 15, get back $5 in Walgreens cash with the P&G paper. We're also going to load the following digital coupons, the 50-cent for the Bounty and the 50-cent for the Charmin, so a big extra $1 of savings. Now, I want you to go over to your IBOTTA account and double, triple check for Bounty. You have this rebate, which is $4 back. If you can't use a digital coupon in concert, unclip that coupon and just go with this. When you pick up your order, ask the cashier to process it through a regular cash register, not with the handheld Zebra, so you can get a physical paper receipt to photograph it to IBOTTA. That is very important because it's $4. Since a lot of you absolutely love Dawn dish soap, we're going to throw in 2 of the babies for $2.48 and then 1 of the power washes for $4.99. For the power, we have this dollar digital for the power wash. Looking at the coupons and how they apply, our little 50 centers, WAG 10 is taken off a big $1.35, so we have a bit of savings there in progress. And if you're using IBOTTA with that bounty, just unload it so you can photograph it with no problems to IBOTTA. Looking at the overall basket is $26.95, $1.35 coming off for WAG 10, free curbside pickup, tax, and $2 in coupons coming off. With your debit card, pay $25.14, and then you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash. You are getting 5 for the P&G booster, 5 for spending $25 on household goods, and an extra 5 if you have the 5 back when you spend $20. Unfortunately, this account I did not have. I had a 5 back when I spend like $35, so it doesn't show. So an extra 5 would be there. I mean, it's just a super deal. And then also another $4 back from IBOTTA for the purchase of the Bounty paper towel. Okay, so this next basket, just a hodgepodge of goods using Walgreens cash. The first product we're going to grab is a clearance Shea Moisture lotion for $3.79. Yesterday, we got this coupon, which is attaching, and it's a $3 off of one of those products. So how lovely is that? And then we're also going to be grabbing 2 of these L'Oreal Elvive. It's a Hydra shampoo for $8.23, BOGO 50% off. Load this friend, which is a 3 off of 2, and it's only for Hydra shampoos. It's a very specific one. Also load the Walgreens coupon for a 2 off of 2. It's also known as an IVC. And then we're going to grab 2 of the regular L'Oreal Elvive shampoos for $8.23. And then we also have another manufacturer, which is a 4 off of 2. That's a massive chorus line of the L'Oreal Elvive, but I know a lot of you like that is your shampoo of choice. We're also going to grab 1 of the Febreze Air Effects for $3.29 and then 1 of the small spaces for $3.29. Load these following $2.30 digital coupons. Just showing you the overall basket of all the coupons coming off, including the code WAG10. There it all is. The L'Oreal Elvive takes a massive bite out of that transaction. The overall total was $26.83. With the IVCs and WAG 10, $5.12 coming off, free curbside pickup, $11.58 in coupons melting off. So now we're at $11.43 for your total. If you may have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $1.43 and call this a steal of a deal. Now, deal number 5. We are looking at this coupon. If you may have it, it is a 12 off of 2. It's an only for you, so only selected accounts received it. We're grabbing 2 of those collagen moisturizers for $19.18 on a BOGO 40% off. And then 1 bag of the $5 Hershey's Kisses. There's a whole bunch of different flavors this week. And if you wanted to grab just nothing but like 5 bags of Hershey's Kisses for that 5 back when you spend $25 in food, you could get that instead of water alternatively. Basket here is $25.18. WAG 10 taking a big $1.22 off, free curbside pickup, and our $12 coupon melting off. The new total is $12.07. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash that you want to throw into this, pay $2.07 and call this a great deal. That's it for this one, guys. We'll catch you in the next video.